morning! Huwag kayo masyadong makatulog, ha? Baka masyado kayong komportable. Okay, welcome po kayo sa Maynila at malugod namin kayo tinatanggap, lalong-lalo na ang ating Regional Director and Concurrent Assistant Secretary for Operation, DepEd Central Office, Dr. Jocelyn D.R. Andaya, and OIC Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Joel Torrecampo, at lahat ng mga SDO sa Metro Manila, especially ang aming, I think, pinakamagandang SDO sa buong Metro Manila. Pasensya na kayo, love your own. Ang ating SDO Lumeda at sa po ng mga kasama namin sa SDO Manila. At sa lahat ng mga dumako dito na contestant, nagpandiin pa. Gaganda ang mga costume nila, talagang naggaya. But I'm happy to receive you in one of our goal, showcasing our goal with regard to building public school in a highly urbanized setting. This is an aspiration of mine when I was young. I am a product of this institution. Dito ko graduate. Ako full-blooded, talaga literal, product of public education system. Elementary, high school, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa inyo, baka nakalimutan nyo na. Ewan ko kung may graduate sa inyo ng Tulungan Center. Mas alam na daycare ngayon. Batong araw, bago ka pumasok sa primary, may early education system. Dito, sa kabila, yung nakikita yung God Andres Bonifacio Hospital. Is a former Tulungan Center. At alam ko, yung iba sa inyo dito, tumira din ng Nutriban. Mga Batang Clean, shoutout kami dyan. Lahat kami. Now, as a matter of sharing, why did we feel like this? Because to some individuals say, sobra-sobra naman yung pinagawa. Kanina, si Assistant Regional Director at saka si Assistant Secretary told them, sabi ko, ma'am, in a highly urbanized setting like Metro Manila, as we speak right now here in Almario, having this event, may batang ipinanganganak. That is a guarantee. At the same time, habang may pinanganganak, wala namang ipinanganganak na lupa. So demand will always catch up. Because that boy or girl, 7 years from now, will occupy a space in our public institution. And this is a type of facility that we build that will address, continue to address and confront ahead of time to achieve the universally accepted student-teacher ratio in a classroom. Kasi kami nung araw, although dekada 80 yun, shout out sa mga batang 80s dyan, kami nung araw, isang teacher, inabot ko, pinakamarami kami, 50. 50 kami sa isang classroom. Imagine mo 50 makukulit. Imagine mo nasiksikan kayo sa isang classroom. So, sabi ko, noong ako'y nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga tagalungsod ng Maynila na maging alkalde, nung una kong termino, ang pinangarap ko na Kung ano ang natikman ng anak ko, dapat matikman ng anak niyo. Mapalad ang mga anak ko, pinagpala na sila eh. Hindi nila naranasan yung naranasan ko bilang sala sa buhay. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakaangat ako, minabuti ko silang papag-aralin sa pribadong paralan. At napakaganda ng eskwela nila. Xavier School. Pagka tinitingnan ko, talaga naman, Diyos ko, ang pasilidad, and so on and so on. Sabi ko, this I will build. And here we are today, conducting an event like to showcase to the entire country, particularly 200 plus highly urbanized city. This may be an inspiration to others to build this way, to build for the future, not for the present alone. Because the tendency of us, including me, gumagawa lang kami pag may problema na. Diba? Typical na gawain. Pero hindi. We can build to confront future needs, preparing our public education system to be at par, if not, sa totoo po, modesty aside, mas maganda pa po ito sa ibang private school. Totoo lang. So now, we can welcome the middle class to send their kids to public school. Because better teachers. Now we have a better facility. Now we can compete, but we are for free. See the savings to every single family, the middle class family, and now avail of such facility in a public education system. So that's why I'm very happy to inform you na ito po ay apat. Sa totoo, nadili lang po yung isa. Nawala po ako ng 3 taon eh. Pasensya na kayo. Pero yung mga taga-magsaysay, matutuwa rin yan. They will have the same thing. So we have Manila Science High School, Rosario Almario Elementary School, and Albert Elementary School. You should visit Albert. To our fellow SDO in Metro Manila, baka makumpinsin nyo rin yung ibang mayor na mabisita. Because sayang eh. May proof of concept na. It happened already in the duplicate. Ako naman, hindi ko ito original na idea. Nangopya lang ako. Ang bawal mangopya sa loob ng silid-aralan. Pero sa pagkugobyerno, kapag mabuti naman, at sa tingin mo'y bumabagay sa kultura, tradisyon, bilang isang Pilipino, ang isang programa, ay pwede naman natin kopyahin. Across the street of this building, you will see Binondominium. Just there, above the bridge. Natanan nyo kanina yung malamang papunta to Dix. Except if you're coming from Nabotas o Malabon o Caloocan. You'll see that housing, that is the in-city vertical housing program. Yung mga nakatira doon ay 30 years sa squatter doon sa baba, sa kalsada. And we are going to build for 2026 Binondominium. If you're coming from Nabotas, Malabon, Caloocan, you just pass by Condominium 1, Condominium 2. Kung nakita nyo doon sa malapit sa Smoky Mountain. So, these are the things that we copy. Kopya-kopya lang to, copy-paste. Copy-paste is such a way that there is this one guy whom I believe, and not we, Singaporeans should give credit to him. Mr. Lee, all the efforts and challenges, but with the strong will, continue building with all the chaos and intriga sa kanya. madalas maintriga si Prime Minister Lee. Pero, look at them now. Through one goal, dreams and aspiration, with the effort of his fellow public servant. Tingnan nyo ang Singapore ngayon, kung nasaan sila. They are worse than Tondo 60 years ago. Worse. Guarantee you, you can research it. But through this initiative of creating, building, and investing into MPN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And the rest is history for them. And, kaya ba natin yon? Pwede ba tayo maging ganon? Of course, that's the only thing that we have right now, is hope. And we must continue to hope. We must continue to believe. We have to anchor on it. Kailangan, alam natin, masasakit ang damdamin ninyo ngayon. Nag-aaling po yung inyong mga puso, isipan, sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon na parang wala na talagang pagbabago. Pare-pareho na lang sila. Alam ko, pare-pareho tayo nararamdaman. But, sabi nga, after the rain, there is a rainbow. Sisikat din ang araw sa atin. May panganganak din na maaari produkto ninyo sa inyong silid-aralan that someday will be a better leader, better business, better professionals. So sa mga guro na parito, hold on to it. Huwag na kayong malito sa noise or ingay. We focus. We in Manila, we are focused. No matter how hard it is emotionally with regard to the situation, we don't want to entertain noise. We focus on delivery of what is expected from us as leaders. And I enjoy all my fellow Manilans, part of the city government, and our contingency in the national government. We must come together. Because if not all of you, maybe some or most of you have a story to tell, have history, or may relasyon sa lungsod ng Maynila. Meron kayong karanasan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Huwag naman na singilin ko kayo ng kaunti. Kung po pwede, lingon ninyo kaming kaunti sa Maynila, because we, Manilans, we cannot just do it alone. I cannot just do it alone. We include you and encourage you. We have to come together to showcase the capital of the country, wherein during those times, in our younger years, our forefathers look at the city as the land and city of opportunity. That's why they were all here. They thought that ito ang makapagtataguyod sa buhay nila. And then we must, like that pirate, and give the city to every Manileños and every Filipinos who will come in and out of the city, na ito ay makapagbibigay sa kanila ng magandang pag-asa o pagkakataon. Again, to all of you here, thank you very much for choosing the City of Manila. Ito ang programa ninyo. Natutuwa kami sapagkat si Lumeda, si Superintendent, ako at ang aming school board ay muli namin ibinalik ang ganitong uri, kahalintulad na gawain sa loob ng paaralan. On December 3, we will have our championship for oratory and all other literacy competition. Kasi nung bata kami, usong-uso ang orador, ang declamation. Nung araw, pinatatayo kami dyan ng teacher namin. Pati lahat ng pihit ng katawan, inahabol mo. Sa kahihiyan, sa takot, sa nervyos. But I think, instead of all other technologies, yes, we are doing technologies, but we must continue to believe to really find talents with our students. Gusto namin competition kayo, Metro Manila, palang araw. Magkita-kita tayo sa finance. Kasi gusto namin kita productive competition, tsaka skills and talents. That's why we wanted to build a facility like this in the public education to showcase and continue to be reminded who we are as Filipino. Ipaalala sa mga bata nito ang kultura at tradisyon. At at the same time, ipakita ang galing ng mga estudyante ng pampublikong paaralan. Purihin ninyo, kapag-produce kayo ng mayo. Special child ba ako? Hindi, marami pa yan. Because what happened to me can happen to any John Doe's and Mary. Can, because yung imposible, naging posible. So, kaya lagi kong pinapaalala sa mga guro na hold on to it. Continue to believe. Someday, somehow, you will produce more better individuals and successful individuals. So muli po, bibitawan ko na ang mikropono. Hindi, excited ako pag ang mga teacher ang nakakausap ko. Welcome po kayo sa Manila. O di, nakakahiya naman. Siyempre, tumosgas yung mga competitors. Ilan ba ang competitors? 17 rin. 15. O, siyempre, may mananalo. O, may matatalo. Ganun lang naman yun. O, sige, nakakita ko kasi nagpandiin eh. Napagastos yung mga contestant ninyo. Nakakahiya naman. Baka sinabi baka sabihin, walang binesa ang mga batang Maynila. Hindi, as a matter of token of appreciation, we appreciate you coming here with all honesty. Mas maganda ang mga pasilidad ninyo na nauna na sa inyong kanya-kanyang distrito or district, no? But I'm happy that you conduct it there. Dito kayo nag-conduct ng ganitong event. So, dahil 15, ano? O sige, token na lang namin. Yung 15, tigpoposam sila. Ay, paano naman? Ano lang? Konting provecho pa. Para mamaya, yung team, may panchicha sila. Pang-banding. Kaya lagi kayo tumako sa Maynila, masarap kaming kabanding. Welcome kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Maraming salamat po.